Hi YouTube, in this video I'll show you guys how to create a C# program. Basically in this video we will learn how to print an output on a screen. It's basically an introductory video, and we will be using Visual Studio for this video. So I have created another video in which I have shown that how to create a C# project in Visual Studio. So if you don't know how to create a C# project, you can see to that video. And okay guys, let's get started. Okay, when you open a Visual Studio, when you create an application, a new application, so these statements print on a screen. So right now we will not be discussing these things because it's an introductory video and I don't want you get confused while I'll tell you that these are just these things I'm not going to tell you right now, because we will learn these things later. What I want you to focus on this thing. Basically it's a method called main, and right now just we want to print an output on a screen. So what we are going to do right now, we will be printing an output on the screen. So we are going to call console class, and so write console dot write 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 line and parenthesis, and every C# statements end with a semicolon. Now what this write line does, that it's in the console class, and it just displays the output on the screen, whatever we are going to write in this double quotation mark. So I'm going to write this is our first project. What this statement does, that it will display this output on the screen. And as you can see that this using statement is highlighted because we are using this, and I'll tell you later what this thing does, because right now it's an introductory video. I don't want you to get confused. Now one more thing, we need to write that console dot read. What this does, that it will hold the screen until you press any key. Read key semicolon. Now we will execute our program. Now as you can see, this is our first project. Okay, what this line does, that this prints this output on the screen, and this read key is just to hold an output on the screen. Now as soon as I press any key, for example I'm going to press space, so it is closed. It is just waiting for any key to close this output. I hope you like this video. Just focus on these three lines right now, that what is the function of these things: console write line and console dot read key. Just focus on that, and in the later videos we will discuss more deeply how C# works. And I hope you like this video, and if you find any difficulty, just do let me know, and and you can comment it down below. And alright guys, like to this video, subscribe to this channel, and stay